Gjirokaster, Albania, is truly a hidden gem in Europe. This enchanting city, known as the City of Stone, is famous for its stunning Ottoman-style houses that seem to rise from the mountainside. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Gjirokaster is steeped in history, with its majestic castle offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Strolling through the charming cobbled streets, you can feel the rich culture that permeates every corner. Don't miss the chance to savor local delicacies like Qifqi, a unique rice dish that captures the essence of this region. Gjirokaster is less crowded than many other European destinations, making it a perfect spot for history lovers and adventure seekers alike. This city deserves a place on your travel bucket list.